body scissors from very close by Kirkwood, but he just about brought it off hip height.
Give it a joke. Come on then. Hey.
Fire, but caught in the body scissors despite that. Still in the body scissors. This time, Kirkwood waiting for it, so easily out. This takes the roll and holds the side headlock.
Come on then. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Just under a minute now in the third round of 6. First fall decides this part. And the full jab stranglehold to Torontis. Tried to throw him, but Torontis needs sidestep, went around with it. It's a thing you don't often see. Very cunning counter. And that's pretty cunning too, because Kirkwood has now turned the tables completely with a jab stranglehold, with only about 8 seconds to go. Weight training and horseback riding, his two main hobbies. Bob Kirkwood of Portsmouth. He's been at 14 stone 6 ever since he first appeared on television in the ring in 1967. That was February 67, and he's never wavered more than a pound either side of 14 stone 6. Slap in the middle of the mid-heavyweight bracket.
Seconds out, round 4.
So halfway through this preliminary mid-heavyweight contest here at the Woodville Hall Gravesend, Bob Kirkwood versus Bill Torontis with 3 rounds to go and 1 full to decide. That's Torontis with the black hair and lighter trunks. Leg spread to Torontis. And Kirkwood, little trouble to get out. Joe Dorazio, the ref. Yes, he got him right. Looked a bit too deliberate, but Kirkwood Put the pressure on a little bit late.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, what a beaut forearm uppercut. Ay, 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 ay. Toronto's clear out. And he'll make it back at 7 and up at 8. Crutch hold and slam to Kirkwood. He could finish it off now with his man considerably weakened, and he has the only fall required. Kirkwood the winner in round 4. Our MC, Charlie Fisher, the former light heavyweight wrestler.
Now with the 1-4 required, ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Bob Kirkwood. Now on for a very good loser, ladies and gentlemen, pt.2.
Put it on, Bill. Put it on.